Welcome to my channel. This is Good Store, and what I do is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you are watching my video for the first time, thank you, and I want to ask that you subscribe to this channel as technical drawing student. Share these videos with your friends who are technical drawing students, and also other videos that I've made. Help me to share them with your friends, and also very important that you need to practice this subject. This is a practical subject. When you practice it, you become a master at it. Now, these are figures that you see here, or this diagram that you see here. I want to show you how to solve this problem in case you come across a problem like this and you are wondering how do I go about it. So I want to show you how to go about it, how to solve it. And as we have here that 3 views of a block are shown. Draw it in oblique projection with face A parallel to the plane of projection. Okay, so these are views that have been talked about, and they said that they are given in first angle projection. Okay, they don't even mention that, and they said that we have 3 views. So this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. So we're asked to draw the view, we're asked to draw the block in oblique projection. We're asked to draw the block in oblique projection, and that's what I want to do now. So now I believe that you know what we mean by oblique projection. So it's a kind of pictorial drawing in which the receding axis is 1, and then it is inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal projection plane. So the first thing that we need to do here is to draw the horizontal line. Okay, so then we are making use of our 45 degrees set square instead of 30 that we do use for isometric projection. So we are making use of 45 degrees set square. So what we need to do first, because this is a feature here and we need to make sure we can see this clearly. So this is the end elevation that by the time we are looking at it in this direction, so we are going to see this shape. So we must ensure that we are able to see this part, okay, very well. And we are told that this one, so this front elevation is parallel to the horizontal projection plane. So horizontal projection plane is this. It means that we are to have this shape here, we are to have it as it looks here on this surface. So let's first of all work on that. So what we need to do now is to just come around here, then we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so I will take the measurement. So the total length is 70 millimeters as we have it. So I will take a measurement of 70 millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters here, and I will draw a vertical line here. Draw a vertical line, and also total distance from here up is 40 millimeters. So that is, I will take 20 for me to get the midpoint. So this is 20, and this is also 20 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw horizontal center line because of the circle. So I will draw horizontal center line here. Okay, so then here I'm going to join this together with this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to bring out this shape that we have here. I bring out this shape. So as we have here, so distance from here to here is 5 millimeters, and from here to here is 16 millimeters. So I will come to the midpoint. So I'll come to the midpoint here and take 8 millimeters up and 8 millimeters down. That is 16 millimeters. So, and then I will come here and take a measurement of 5 millimeters. So this is 5 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line up here. So then, so with my T-square, I will draw this line to meet this line, and I will also draw this line to meet this line here. So the next thing that we have here, so we need to locate the midpoint, so of this total 70, which is 35 from here to here, for us to draw the circle. So I will take a measurement of 35 millimeters from this end here. So this is 35. millimeters. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So I will draw a vertical center line like this. Okay, so that's vertical center line. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to draw a circle. So draw the circle. So the diameter of that is 30. So the radius is 15. I will take 15 millimeters and put it at this point here. Then I will draw a circle. I think okay. All right. Okay, so that's circle that we have drawn. So next that I'm going to do here before I can do anything further is for me to take my set square, 45 degree set square, set along this line. As I said that feature on this part that we see on the end elevation must be clearly seen. So I will draw a line at 45 degree set by 45 degree to this side, and I will also from this point here I will also draw the line to this side. Also from this point I will draw it to this side, and from this point I will also draw it to this side. Then coming to this side here, I will also draw the line in this direction. Alright, so let's get the length. So distance from here to here as we have in the plan is 30 millimeters. So we are coming to this side. So we are coming here to take that 30 millimeters. So if I take a measurement of 30 millimeters from here to here, so I will terminate it here. So what I need to do here now, so I'm going to draw a vertical line. So here I will draw a vertical line. So this is a vertical line from here to here. So then here I'm going to draw at this point there is a line that I'm going to see at this point. I'm going to see a line at this point. So just think about what we see there. But before that, so I'm going to draw the horizontal line from this point. From this point I will draw a horizontal line with my T-square like this. Okay, so then from this point I will draw a line in this direction. I want to make sure I can see the line, so I will draw a line in this direction to meet this line. So wherever it touches this line, so I will draw a vertical line up to meet this line. So wherever it meets this line, I will take it up. Sorry, that will not be 30. That will not be 30. So I need to take a measurement of 30 millimeters again from this point. So this is 30 millimeters. So that it can't work. So by the time I bring out the shape with thick line, we'll be able to see it clearly. So the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer this line to the other side, so I can make this line thick at once. So I can make this a thick line like this. Okay, so we have that. So the rest of what I'm supposed to do is to make these lines thick lines. So this line is a thick line. So this line here is a thick line. So I'm going to pause the video and bring out the shape so that it won't take us much time. Alright, this is how it will look if you have done it as I did it here. It's as simple as I've done it. All you need to do is to practice, and this view is an oblique view of this block. So keep on practicing and God bless you. Thank you.